वेलकम टू रोजगार समाचार। रोजगार समाचार में आपका स्वागत है। रोजगार समाचार is India's first YouTube video channel which give you information about new job opening with government and private sector. In our videos you will be able to find all the details about the job such as number of vacant seat, salary package, requirement and how to apply. Rozgar Samachar has expert team member who work hard to gather all these details and make sure you do not miss any details. This video will inform you about government sector job openings. Delhi Police is hiring for the post of constable. Both male and female candidates can apply for this job opening. Interested candidates must have cleared 10+2 from recognized board with minimum 45% of marks. Minimum age of the candidate should be 18 years and maximum age should be 25 years. To get selected, candidate need to go through 4 stages of examination, that is computer-based examination, physical measurement test, physical endurance test, and medical examination. Eligible candidates can apply online through SSC online portal. Last date to apply is 7 September 2020. Next job opening is with Indian Army. Indian Army is recruiting soldier for general duty and women for military police. Total number of vacancy is 99. To apply for this job opening, candidates must have passed class 10th with 45% marks in aggregate and 33% of marks in each subject. Minimum age of the candidate should be 17.5 and maximum age should not be more than 21 years. To get selected, candidates need to clear 2 stages of examination, that is physical fitness test, written test through CCE. Eligible candidates apply online through Indian Army portal. Last date to apply is 31st August 2020. Next job opening is with Bihar Police for the post of Sub-Inspector and Police Sergeant. Total number of vacancies 2,256. Pay scale starts from Rs 35,400 to Rs 1,12,400. To apply for this job, candidate need to hold a bachelor degree in any discipline from a recognized university or institute. Minimum age requirement is 20 years and maximum age is 37 years for general category. To get selected, candidate need to clear 4 stages of examination, that is preliminary examination, main examination, physical standard test and interview. Candidates can apply online through BPSSC portal. Last date to apply is 24th September 2020. Next job opening is with Bihar Public Service Commission for the post of lecturer in humanity, chemistry and physics. Total number of vacancies 84. Pay scale for this post is Rs 56,100. Interested candidate need to have first class master's degree in science with concerned subjects. Minimum age should be 21 years and maximum age should not be more than 65 years. To get selected for this job profile, candidate need to go through 3 stages of examination, that is academic record and research work, evaluation of work knowledge and teaching skill through written test and interview. Eligible candidates apply online through BPSC portal. Last date to apply is 25th September 2020. Next job opening is with All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Rishikesh, Uttarakhand, for the post of Assistant Nursing Superintendent. Total number of vacancies 15. Pay scale is Rs 15,600 to 39,100 with grade pay of Rs 5,400. To apply for this job, candidate need to hold 6 years working experience with Bachelor of Science degree in nursing from any Indian Nursing Council recognized institute or university. Minimum age of candidate should be 21 years and maximum age should not be more than 35 years. To get selected, candidate need to go through 4 stages of examination, that is computer-based examination, physical measurement test, physical endurance test, and medical examination. Eligible candidate need to apply online through SSC portal. Last date to apply is 14 September 2020. Next job opening is with Securities and Exchange Board of India for the post of General Manager Grade A Officer. Total number of vacancy is 147. Out of 147, 80 seats is for the post of General Manager, 34 seats is for Legal Manager, 1 seat is for Civil Engineer, 22 seats for IT Manager, 4 seats is for Electrical Engineer, 5 seats for Research Manager and 1 seat is for Official Language Manager. To apply for this post, candidate need to hold a master's degree in relevant subjects. Maximum age should not be more than 30 years. To get selected for this post, candidate need to go through 2 stages of examination, that is online examination and interview. Candidates who are interested in applying for this job need to apply online through SSC portal. Last date to apply is 31st October 2020. Central Reserve Police Force is hiring combatized paramedical staff. Total number of vacancy is 789. To apply for this job, candidates need to be class 10th pass out with 45% marks in aggregate and minimum 33% of marks in each subject studied without mentioning any specific subjects. Minimum age requirement is 18 years and maximum age is 30 years. Requirements differ from post to post. To get selected for this post, candidate need to go through 3 stages of examination, that is written test, physical fitness test and physical standard test. Interested candidates need to fill form offline and send it to concerned address. Last date to apply is 31st August 2020. Rozgar Samachar is committed to give you all the details about the job opening. If you want Rozgar Samachar to publish more videos, then like, share our videos and comment us in comment section. To get latest notification about our new videos, subscribe our channel and press bell icon.